Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel Essence of You. Today I'm telling you 9 ways to make yourself attractive. Before getting further into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel The Essence of You for more glow up tips. Eat a balanced diet. Always eat well nutritious food to support your skin health and makes you more radiant and young, and it also supports overall well-being. Exercise on daily basis can help to improve the blood circulation in your face as well as in your whole body. It also improves your toni, indigestion, and overall health. Get enough sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours sleep per night is necessary for good skin and health. It helps to reduce your dark circle puffiness, wrinkles, and fine lines. Good sleep can also make you mentally active. Take care of your skin. Follow the daily care skin routine. It can be home remedy or you can also use skin care products. Use sunscreen and stay hydrated to achieve a good, healthy, and radiant complexion. Groom your eyebrows. Well-groomed and trimmed eyebrows can frame your face and add up to your attractiveness. Take care of your hair. Style your hair that suits your face shape and maintain a healthy appearance, which makes you more attractive. Practice good hygiene. Bath daily. Wash your face regularly to get rid of pimples, acne, etc. Brush and floss your teeth and use perfume to feel more confident. Use makeup wisely to enhance your feature. Use makeup which suits your face shape, complexion, and try some makeup which enhances your natural features, but avoid overdoing it. Exudes confidence. Own your unique look and radiate self-assurance to make your face truly attractive. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.